guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool snow globe video edit for your holiday videos on CapCut PC. So I just have this image of a snow globe and I'm just going to enlarge it real quick. I'm also going to, I'm going to set it a little bit smaller, like here. Go to mask on the snow globe, go to mask and select circle, and I'm just going to reverse that. And let me just bring this down so we can see that. Oops. I'm just going to scale it up and I'm going to feather that out a little bit, and I'm just going to bring it back up here just a little. And I'm going to resize that. I'm also then going to go to effects and I'm just going to go to lens. And I'm going to select a fisheye that matches it the best. Okay, maybe like this one. And then I'm going to go and select circle again, and I'm going to mask that so you can't see like the background and whatnot. Once you're done, you're going to select, search for snow effects. I'm just going to bring this up a little bit and scale it down. And you're just going to place it in the video underneath. Just add that in, and you can kind of edit the effects here. Maybe like the atmosphere and the speed. Just go back to see which ones you need to edit. And yeah, that is it. You can add in like a canvas here. So just go to canvas. I'm just going to go to style and search for like cute backgrounds to go along with it. Okay, maybe not that one. But yeah, that's pretty much it really. Once you're finished, you can just export it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Also, if you want, you can add in shake, but maybe like not very sped up. Okay, I don't think you can do that. Maybe like the play pendulum one. To add in like maybe an animation to the globe, but it looks kind of weird, so I'm just going to leave it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!